So you clicked on this video because you're looking for a boring way to make money online. Alright, so this is going to be by far the most boring because I'm going to tell you the actual truth. Not what the gurus want to sell you on their new special method and all this shiny objects and all this crap. It's going to be boring, it's going to be blunt, it's going to be straightforward. Like the big point I want to get across is you'll hear so many people make videos and like hype up specific methods of getting clients and making money. All right, for example, it could be at the business model level. They'll talk about, start a SaaS or start an agency, start a coaching business, all right, XYZ, drop shipping, e-commerce, all this stuff. And the truth is, even though I chose my specific method of model of business and it works quite well for me and I help people do it, you can start whatever business model you want and it's gonna work as long as you commit to it, you actually do it right. It does not matter. There's so many ways to make money. It does not matter. There's not one superior method, really. And then on a deeper level, when it comes to getting clients for your business, people always say things like, email marketing is dead. Oh, cold DMs don't work. Well, paid ads. Oh, Facebook doesn't work anymore. Blah, blah, blah. All this crap about how certain methods are dead, certain platforms don't work, and it's all BS. It's all cope. What's going on is really people are constantly searching for arbitrage, like massive arbitrage. And what I mean by arbitrage is, like, for example, Facebook ads way back in the day when they first started. Like, you can be terrible at advertising, have a bad offer, and like you could literally pay like $1 and you can get like just like an absurd amount of eyeballs. And so by default, you would make money just because like the pure mathematics, like 1 million people would see it and you'd pay like a few bucks for it. Like when Facebook ads was first at its inception. All right, so that's one example of arbitrage that people are constantly searching for because they're so bad at the actual fundamentals. They need crazy arbitrage like that. Or like TikTok. When TikTok first started, it was really hot. It was so easy to go viral. You could get, boom, millions of views by just making a video like random crap. Obviously, it'd have to be relatively good, but you get the picture. Like, these massive like arbitrage opportunities. And now the thing with these is these come and go all the time, like all the time. They always come and go. There's new ones that last for maybe a few months, maybe even a few weeks, and then they go away. And people are constantly hopping from arbitrage opportunity to arbitrage opportunity because they don't know how to create arbitrage for themselves and put $1 into a machine and make back $3, $5, $10 back. They need this crazy arbitrage because they suck at the fundamentals. The big thing I want to go over is like the logic of all this stuff of saying this method is superior, do cold DMs, do content, or only do inbound ads, or like all this crap. The logic is flawed. They're focused on a method. A method does not determine your success. Like, you can sign clients by carrier pigeon. I guarantee you could, because it comes down to this. The reality of it is this. Like, this is why you sign clients. This is what everything comes down to, regardless of the method, the platform, whatever you're doing, the strategy. It's this. Oh no, my marker. All right, cut. We have a bad marker. So the reality is this. It comes down to this one thing, and it's called stimulus and response. So this is just a scientific phenomenon that happens every single day in your life. And it's why you sign clients, it's why you don't sign clients. All right, so for example, if you're driving in your car and the traffic light, it turns red, your response to that stimulus is to hit the brakes and stop your car. All right, so the stimulus is the traffic light. Your response is what you do, obviously, in response to the stimulus. So if it's green, you obviously hit the gas pedal and you go. Different stimulus equals different response. Okay, so this is why anyone signs clients in the first place. So stimulus could be anything. It could be a DM you send out. It could be an ad that you put in front of someone. And when people see the stimulus, they have certain responses to it. And so the whole game is figuring out for your niche of individuals that you serve in your business, what is the stimuli that you can put in front of them that's going to get the response that you want? Right? The response of opting in, the response of booking a call, the response of paying you money. That's the game. Like that is the game. And that is why every single method, every single platform, every strategy can work if you do this right. But the method in itself does not matter. You can do email marketing, you can do cold DMs, you can do ads, you can do content marketing, you can do direct mail, you can mail people stuff, and you can make money because of this. Stimulus and response. Most people get it wrong because they don't know this. They think it's the method that the magic is the method. They think, oh, the magic is because I'm sending cold emails. The magic is because I'm on this TikTok platform. Like, no, this is it. This is the game. This is the game. If you do this right, you can predictably create a machine to convert $1 into $3 into $5 like that, like clockwork. So if you're watching this, the big lesson is please stop saying, oh, well, you know what? I tried this method before. It didn't work. it doesn't work. Like, no, you tried it for 2 weeks. You tried like one stimulus, maybe two, and you didn't get the response that you want. That's a reality. Like the method works. If there's another business in your niche that makes money via the method, that means it can work. You just have this equation wrong. You just don't know the stimuli that's going to get the response that you want. That's the fact. So please stop saying, oh, no, I tried this thing. It doesn't work. Like, come on. The big thing you want to do is like commit to one method. All right, commit to cold DMs, commit to content marketing, commit to paid ads on a specific platform, and go all in on it. Like, commit to scientifically testing stimuli and response until you get it right, until you get that machine that is consistent and it converts. Because here's the reality. That you're targeting a niche of humans, right? They all have similar characteristics, psychological makeups, desires, pain points, some similarities there, some affinity to each other. And so when you nail this equation, like if it's converting at X percentage points over 100 people, it's going to convert at a very close to that X percentage points at 1,000, at 10,000, at 1,000,000 people. All right. At small scale, like things equate to large scale if you're targeting the same humans. So like that's the game. You figure this out and you crack the code. You can scale now. Just commit to one thing and scientifically test it. So truly, like this can work for you if you're on a platform where, one, your ideal avatar hangs out, your niche hangs out. If they're there and you can contact them, you're good to go. The second criteria is if you can like easily contact them in some form, whether it's paid ads, messages, whatever. That's it. If your avatar is there, if your niche is there and you can contact them, you're good to go. Like you can make it work. That's it. Like that is the game. So please stop hunting for the new shiny ad copy or method or blah, blah, blah. Like it does not matter. Stimulus and response. This is the boring way to get rich. You just scientifically test it over and over and over again until you get this equation right and people are responding the way that you want from your stimuli. That's it. That's the video. Hope this helps. If you're a coach and you want to add 10K to 30K a month, click the link below. I have a video about what I do to help out. If not, you're amazing. I love you. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.